Join us for Arts Fest 2014 on Saturday, February 22nd in Seguin. Festivities kick off with the Color Me Nutty Fun Run with a 100-yard dash for little kids, a 1-miler for older kids, and a 5K for runners, walkers, and wheelers of all ages. Register online at athleteguild.com. For the rest of the day, all the art and entertainment is at the historic Texas Theater. Daytime activities include student art exhibits, poetry readings, a kids' talent show, and a new pet art puchanga. In the evening, enjoy wine and meat tastings, an art auction to raise funds for Seguin's next public art project along Walnut Springs Park, and music and entertainment that celebrates Seguin's rich culture at the La Pachanga del Arte beginning at 7 p.m. For more information on Arts Fest, go to SeguinArts.com. To find out more about everything happening in Seguin, go to visitseguin.com.